Good day everyone, I am Barbie Balagtas and I will be demonstrating on how to plot the fixed position using 2 stars. So the first thing you're gonna do is to plot the DR position. So the given position is latitude 44 degrees 10 minutes north and longitude 169 degrees 30 minutes east. So you just have to align it to its given position, which is 44 degrees and 10 minutes, then you will get your latitude. And your longitude is 169 degrees 30 minutes east, and you should have its intersection, and that will be your DR position. So after getting your DR position, you will plot the calculated ZN of the 2 stars. So let's do the markup star first. And since the ZN of the markup is 85.2, which is here if you measure it in the compass using your triangle ruler, and you need to move it to your DR position. So in doing that, you just have to use the other ruler and move it towards your DR position and measure its intercept, which is the intercept is 5.2 away from the star using your compass. So in measuring the 5.2, you just have to count from here, 5.2, and this will be your intercept away from the star. So after getting your intercept line, you just have to get your position line, which is the measure of 90 degrees from your intercept line. So this will be the line, and extend it to the other side. You will have your position line 1 and position line 2. So in order to get the position line, you will have to move it on your compass. But since you will not get the exact measure of it, you just have to add and subtract it by 90 degrees. So the first PL is 85, since our ZN is 85.2. So first we have to subtract it by 90. So we'll have 355.2. And the second position line is 85.2. Add it by 90, we'll have 175.2. So that will be your position line for the markup. So after getting the position line 1 and 2, you need to measure its latitude and longitude. So we will measure it from here, and we'll get the latitude of 44 degrees 10 minutes north and longitude of 169 and 22 minutes east. So we're done with the markup star, and let's proceed to the Russell Hask, and we'll do the same procedure. So first we're going to measure its ZN, which is 183.3. Then we'll move it to your DR position. And that will be your ZN line. After getting your ZN, we'll measure its intercept, which is 6.4 towards the star. So let's measure 6.4. And do the same with your DR position. Since it is towards, then we'll measure it towards the star. That will be your ZN. So after getting your intercept, you just have to get the position line, which is the 90 degrees of your intercept. So we'll have to put a line in here, and we'll have your PL1 and PL2. And by getting its measurement, we just have to add and subtract it by 90. So the PL1 is 183.3, added by 90, we have 273.3. And the PL2 is 183.3, subtracted by 90, which is 93.3. So after plotting the ITP and the ZN of the 2 stars, we will get its intersection. The intersection of the 2 position lines is the fixed position. So you have the 2 lines here of the markup and the Russell Hask. So this will be the fixed position, and after that get its latitude and longitude. So for the latitude, we have 44 degrees 04 minutes north and longitude 169 degrees 23 minutes east. So that's how you get the fixed position using the 2 stars.